You are not getting the clients you want online for this one simple reason. You keep complicating everything. Now, this is not about you facing too many things. But now, let us say you've been able to say, okay, I want to do this one business, right? I want to do this one business. I'm going to face just that. But the problem lies with the fact that now, even within that one business, you are now offering like 15 products, 12 products, and you don't know the one that people actually want. In this video, I'm going to break everything down to using a very smart system. I'm going to show you how to offer this service to people in a way it doesn't get overwhelming and you're able to make more cash from that single business. Hi guys, MrTrillLife here, and on this channel, of course, you know we talk about everything: advertising, scaling your business, using paid offers, and more. If you're a coach, you're a startup founder, or you're a creator, and you want to scale to your first 299 clients, then you need to watch this video. The next set of things I'm going to say would literally change the trajectory of your business. Let's get right into it. Now, a couple of years back, I was in this business, and I wasn't getting as much results that I desired, right? And the reason behind this is I was trying to coach people. I had a digital product too at the side. I was also trying to offer different products to different niches. Oh, I want to be able to target this person. Oh, wow, there's money in this niche. Let me go here too. There's money here. Let me offer this too. I'll offer email marketing. I'll offer paid advertising. I'll offer website design. I'll offer all of this, right? And I was steadily getting burnt out. When I mean steadily getting burnt out, I mean I was tired. I was tired because I'll create content about this. I'll do this other thing. Why? Because I was skilled at these things. But for some reason, I wasn't getting all the clients I needed. And the reason was I wasn't following the system of one. Now pay attention to this. Pay attention to this because you need to write this down. The system of one involves one offer, one service, right? One offer, one service to one target audience, providing them one solution on one platform. Did you get that? One offer or one service to one target audience, providing them one solution through one platform. The minute I started doing this, everything changed. Everything literally changed, my friend. Everything changed. I'm going to tell you. I was really struggling, trying to do the web design, trying to do paid advertising, doing email, doing conversion rate optimization. I'm telling you all of the skills that fall under digital marketing. And I was offering all of these things because why? I was good at them. I knew what to do. Building the websites, I was good at them. I can build a WordPress website. Okay, there are people online talking about building a WordPress website in 30 minutes. I don't know about that. But I can build a WordPress website that goes live in 24 hours, right? If I sit down in deep work, I can do that in 24 hours. I could do that. I could get into a website and see the different things that are not making them convert. I could hop on paid advertising on any platform, Instagram, Facebook, Google, and tweak the ads, tweak the offer, tweak the creative to make sure it works. I could do that. But I wasn't getting the clients I needed because I was offering all of these things. And until I decided to split and focus on one thing and let other people in the agency focus on what they were good at, I didn't get the results I wanted. Right? I was decent to writing emails and creating email copy. I was decent with that. Now, I want you to think about it. I mean, we've spoken about in the previous video, we already spoke about how you should offer, you should focus on just a service, right? Great. So you're offering a service now or a digital product, and that is awesome, right? But now, I don't want you to fall for that trick, that trap that makes you think you need to offer that to offer 5 different forms of that service to different people in different industries. Why don't you be the coach, the fitness coach who helps 9 to 5 men lose belly fat in 90 days? Why be the fitness coach for 9 to 5 men and be the fitness coach for pregnant mommies with a baby bump and be the fitness coach for teens who want their aura to raise. Why be that fitness coach? Why? You don't need to be that fitness coach. If you are that fitness coach, you are speaking to nobody. Yeah, you know that. The minute you try to speak to everybody, you are speaking to nobody. So instead of that, I want you to say, okay, I'm going to come on Instagram, and on Instagram, I'm going to offer my fitness coaching to 9-to-5 girlies who don't have time to go to the gym, and I'm going to make this a productized course, and I will do group trainings with them one weekend, one Saturday every month, or twice every month, 2 Saturdays every month, and that's it. And I'm going to make sure I press these people. I'll do everything within that scope to make sure they lose belly fat within 90 days. Because the minute you do that, everything changes. Everything changes. The minute you do that, everybody starts seeing you as the coach for the 9-to-5 girlies. They don't see you as the fitness coach anymore. And when you are able to offer yourself as the coach for 9-to-5 girlies, you are able to say, this is the price I want to sell at, and this is for me who offers my service to 9-to-5 girlies. Nobody else, just me. This is that price for me, and I'm not switching anything. I'm not changing anything. This is who I am. This is who I'm offering this service to, and this is who I'm giving it to, just for this set of people, and that's it. That's it. And that is the key, my friends. That is the key. That is the key. So I want you to pick out the pen and a paper, and I want you to start thinking right now, how am I going to offer this? What is my one service? Okay, this is my one service. Who am I offering this one service to? What kind of people are they? What platform are they? One set. Don't go around doing this and doing that until, I'm not saying you wouldn't do this. You would scale out on multiple platforms, but don't scale out now. Master that one platform. Master that one platform. Because the minute you're able to master that one platform, you're able to tell people, okay, this is who I am. And while you are a fitness coach offering, say, $500 for 3 months for your service, you are able to say, my service will cost you $2,000 every month, every single month, $6,000 across 3 months, because you offer a specialized, productized service. Everybody knows you for that one thing. This is how the biggest people scale. This is really how the biggest people scale. So when you have that one service, you craft out one offer for that one service. Now, there's something I've learned from a lot of my copywriting and advertising coaches, and I'm going to tell you this now. Your one offer should come at no risk to your target audience. It should come at zero risk to your target audience, okay? So I want you to think about the risk. Think about the risk that they would face. Like, okay, I'm working with 9-to-5 men who want to lose belly fat within 90 days. What is the risk? The risk is they have to, if they don't get that desired result, right? They don't get a desired result, it means my service was a waste for them. So now you taking out that risk would be, number one, you're offering them a guarantee that as long as they do everything you tell them to do, they will get that result. Because you've done it for other people, right? You've done it for other people, so as long as they set their heads down and they focus on what you want them to do, they will get that result. That's number one. The second thing is, if they do everything you want them to do and they do not get that result, you will give them their money back. See that? They do everything you want them to do and they don't get their result, you will give them their money back. The minute you tell anybody that, I work with you for 90 days, and if you don't get the result because you do everything I tell you to do, and I see that you do it, but you don't get the result still, take your money back. They'll say, wow, I stand nothing to lose. The minute you do that, you do everything I want you to do, and you still don't get the result, take your money back. They'll be like, wow, that's like no risk for me. The wicked ones will be like, wow, okay, I'm going to do this, and I'll do everything he wants me to do, and I'll request my money back. no questions asked. But you know the funny part, those wicked ones, if they do everything you want them to do, say for example, they stop eating what you want them to do, they use a calorie tracker, you see what they eat every day, they do it, but at the back of their mind, they want to get the refund back. They would actually get the result, and you wouldn't need to offer a refund. You wouldn't need to offer a refund. That's the trick. That is the trick, because you are so sure that the service you want to offer will provide them a specific result. They will get that result within the time frame. I want you to do that. Now, the last thing I want you to focus on is one platform. One platform. I don't care about the platforms, about you knowing 15 platforms. I mean, there's Truth Social, there are other platforms, there's X, there's LinkedIn, there's all these platforms. What is your one platform? Your one platform should have, number one, should have your target audience. Number two, should have your target audience, but a set of people who can pay for your solution, right? Number three, your target, your picked platform should also be one where the barrier to entry is easy, right? You're not so good at writing, you don't go to a place like LinkedIn. You want to work with fitness 9-to-5ers, you don't go to LinkedIn. Yeah, you don't go to LinkedIn. You go to the places where they show their social life, where those 9-to-5ers show their social life. That's where you go to, where you can literally see their belly hanging, because they're going to be sitting behind corporate suits and all of that. And you cannot tell who has a hanging belly that you need to work on. You can't tell. So pick that one platform, and that's the entire system, guys. One service, one offer, one target audience, one platform for your one desired result. I really hope you got it. Now that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to be able to use advertising to actually craft out this system for yourself, then I want you to just send a DM on Instagram or visit the link you see down below, and someone on my team would respond to you. I'll see you guys in the next video.